Welcome to VDR your channel. Provisions and Reserves chapter part 2. In this class we are discussing the provision for repairs account, ledger account we are preparing now. If you like my class, please subscribe VDR your channel, click bell icon, share and comment. Let us see this question. Mr. Murthy provided repairs reserve 6,000 rupees per annum. So repairs reserve providing 6,000 rupees per annum for every year. So ప్రతి సంవత్సరం రిపేర్స్ రిజర్వ్స్ కోసం కొంత అమౌంట్ పక్కన పెడతారు. ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ కొంత అమౌంట్ ని పక్కన పెట్టడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. సో ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ ద అమౌంట్ విల్ బి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్డ్ టు ది రిజర్వ్. సో రిపేర్స్ రిజర్వ్ అకౌంట్. So that amount will be transferred from P&L account debtor to P&L account debit side to repairs reserve or provision for repairs. So repairs reserve are provisions for repairs. Provision for repairs. Okay, this is the entry. Every year provision for repairs account is credited with P&L account 6,000 rupees. Every year 6,000 rupees amount will be shown in the credit side of the provision for repairs and repairs account. So ఇక్కడ provision for repairs account లోని every year మనం credit side by profit and loss account అని చెప్పి 6,000 rupees ని చూపించాలి. And paying the actual repairs 2,000, 3,000, 2,000 and 4,000, 2011, 6,000. Repairs, if you pay repairs, the entry is repairs account debtor to cash account, repairs account to cash account, but the repair amount will be used in the provision for repairs account. So that amount will be used in the provisions for repairs account. So when actual repairs paid, that amount will be utilized from the provision for repairs. So the entry will be provisions for repairs to cash or bank. It shows the repairs. So repair amount will be shown. So provision for repairs account debited with the two bank in brackets repairs 3,000 in the first year, and second year 4,800, third year 6,000. Every year the amount will be transferred from P&L account to provision for repairs reserve account is 6,000 rupees. So let us see the ledger account. Okay, so 3,000, 2009, 2010, 4,800 and 6,000. Okay, let us see the provision for repairs and repairs account. So ledger account will be prepared. So provision for repairs account, date, particulars, amount, JF, date, particulars, JF, amount. So every year in 2009 the amount will be transferred from the P&L account to reserve is 6,000. So 31st December 2009 by profit and loss account. So every year the amount will be transferred from P&L account to provision for repairs account is 6,000. So 6,000. In 2009 the actual expenses are 3,000. Okay, the actual expenses in 2009 is 3,000. So expense will be paid. Provision for repairs account to bank account or to cash. So 31st December 2009 to cash. In brackets, to know the it is a repair amount. Actual repairs amount is 3,000. Okay. So let us total 6,000 minus 3,000. 3,000 balance carried on to balance carried down. Okay, on 1/1/2010 by balance brought down is 3000. Next, 2010, in the year ending, again 6,000 rupees amount transferred from the P&L account to provision for repairs account. So by profit and loss account, P&L account to provision for repairs account, 31st December 2011. Okay, 6,000. Total 9,000. Okay. In the second year, it means 2011 ending, the actual repairs are paid 4,800 rupees. Actual repairs are paid 4,800 rupees. So 31st December 2010 to cash or repairs. Amount is 4,800. 9,000 minus 4,800. 9,000 minus 4,800 means 4,200. To balance carried on. Next year balance brought down 1/1/2012. 12 December 2010. 1/1/2011. By balance brought down 4,200. 31st December 2000, and every year the amount will be transferred from P&L account to provision for repairs is by P&L 6,000 rupees. Okay, 6,000. Total 10,200. Total 10,200. The actual expenses in the third year is 6,000 rupees. Okay, 31st December 2011 to cash means repairs. Actual repairs is 6,000 rupees. So balance 4,200 rupees. So balance carried on. Okay. So 1/1/2012 to balance, the balance brought down 4,200. Okay. So problem is completed. Okay. Some more problems will be seen in the next class. If you like my class, please subscribe VDR your channel, click bell icon, share and comment. Thank you very much.